That's the reason why we have to keep whining.
She's mad. He's mad. You weren't
Pull
whiny.
by your tail. Stop it.
Be nice for you.
Nibbling me. Careful,
She's defleeing him. Be nice to your kitty.
She's kissing her.
They're playing. She's trying to figure out how to play with him. Oh my gosh, she snuggled him. No.
Big cow.
She's playing, Frieda. I mean, Michelle. Oh, look. Be nice, Frieda. Be nice. She's nibbling.
This
Nice,
reminds me
Fried.
of Sawyer and his kitty. It's the first time it's seen it.
Be nice, Frieda. Oh, look, she's cleaning all the fleas. There's no fleas, but she... Hey, 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 hey. Don't nibble too hard. Oh, it feels good to him. It does feel good to me, too, but sometimes she pinches. Don't pinch a kitty, Fried. Be nice. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. Yeah, it does feel good, but not after a while. Be nice. Be nice.
Frieda. His head.
Be nice to kitty.
And
Careful.
your
Well, that cat will slap her if she pinches. Look at, he likes it. Oh, there we go.
Nice.
Nice, Fried.
Frieda.
Maybe she's tasting them. No, she's okay.
Frieda.
Nice. Frieda, that's enough.
Hey, hey, hey. Are you so sweet words?
No, she does that to me when she's being affectionate.
Wait, does she have his head?
No. Hey. Oh. No, she's cleaning him. Good girl, Fried. He likes it. It's so funny. Frieda, you're weird. Oh, that cat's weird. She's not weird. Hey, James.
Hey.
She put her whole jaws around his head just for a second. Okay, Frieda, I think that's enough itching the kitty.
Why is he not speeding up?
He's getting irritated. Nice, Frieda.
Yeah, nice. I think he likes it.
Yeah, he does. Well, it itches. She's done it to me.
He's flagging her.
Yeah, but she does get a little too into it.
Yeah.
She's trying to be careful, but be nice to kitty. Yes,
like,
he likes it, but okay, come on.
That's enough. Careful, Fried.
She's being careful, but he's gonna.
Are you sure?
He would be screaming. Look at that. He likes it. It's so weird.
Yeah.
Nice. It's so weird.
He's like,
There's no other cat that would put up with this. She's itching him.
Pepper is a little freak.
Yeah, wait till your mother sees what you're doing, James. Okay, Frieda, no chewing.
No, wait, where's his head?
Okay, Frieda. Okay, Frieda, you want to go outside?
Oh my god.
It's purring. He's so funny.
Hey, careful. Oh.
Frieda. Okay, that's just too funny. He's purring. He's so cute. Are you happy, Frieda? You have a kitten.
And
Oh, look, he's gonna curl up in the tail. Where's your mom, James? Oh. What a crazy cat. Okay, that cat is weird. That's so cute.
I think he wants it.
Okay, this is gonna go south any minute. Frieda, would you like to go outside in the pool? Wanna go swim? Let's go swim. Oh, she's taking the kitty. She doesn't want to leave. I've never seen that.
Frieda, careful. Or, I mean, wait, cuddling him.
Aw. No, no, Frieda.
Careful, careful.
Here, I'm gonna go outside. Here, let's go outside. Oh, she took the ball. Okay.
You got mad.